Good morning, Punya. I am Jarvis, sir. Please tell me that how can I help you?
Abdul Kalam Wikipedia.
Hello everyone. So today we see a project which I have made using Python. The project is actually a Google Assistant or voice assistant, which is working on Visual Studio Code. I have made or run this code using Visual Studio. So here first we see what I have done. So here you can see I have written that import pyttsx3. Actually pyttsx3 is a API module which convert text to speech. It is text to speech converter. So in the next I have written that import date time. Actually date time is a module which we have to install to know the time or the date and time of our system. In the next I have written I have written speech recognition as SR. Speech recognition is a module which supports API like CMU, Sphinex, Google Speech Recognition API, Google Cloud API, Microsoft Bing Voice Recognition, etc. So we have to import this module to recognize our voice. Next I have written import Wikipedia. Actually Wikipedia is a module through which we can search over Wikipedia. Next web browser, through this module we can search over web browser. Next import OS, import operating system. Then here I have defined a engine variable. An engine variable is allocated with pyttsx3 dot init sapi5. Sapi5 is a voice module API which I to which I have input into the engine. Here init is used to initialize a variable. So using pyttsx3 speech text to speech converter, I have import the sapi5 voice inside to the engine. So now engine consists of the voice sapi5. Next I have written voice equal to engine dot get property voices. Actually this command is just run to know which type of voice are available in our operating system. Next I have here I have omitted the line print voice 0 id, means through which I can know which voices are available. Next I have written that engine dot set property voice 0 id, means I have imported the inside the sapi5 there are many voice IDs. I have imported voices 0 id to the engine variable. In the next I have created a function using def command. Using def command I have created a function named speak, within which there is a variable audio, and inside that I am running that audio to which to engine through engine variable engine dot say audio engine dot run and wait. This function we have only created to which we run further. Next I have created a function wish me. This function I created to wish the computer or assistant will wish me. So here I have created that hour equal to init. Actually hour is a variable to which I will import the time or date of my system. Hour know that what is the time and date. So here I have allocated that hour knows the date and time. So if hour is greater than equal to 0 and hour is less than equal to 12, mean it times on night 0 12 a.m. to morning 12 a.m. So if that time he will or she will say me good morning Punya, means he will wish me. Else if here I am using else if command, if hour is between 12 12 p.m. to 18 p.m. it will speak good afternoon. Else if hour is more than 18 p.m. and less than 21 p.m. it will wish me good evening. And if the time is uh, not within that, it will wish me good night. Next, here I have said that speak. I am Jarvis. After saying that, it will say that I am Jarvis sir. Please tell me what can I help you. So after it wish me these things, next we have to go to the further command. I have here created a take command function through def. So inside this take command I have created a variable which is r. R is imported using SR. What is SR? Speech recognition. Here you can see speech recognition. So inside SR there is recognizer a module. So I have allocated the R as a recognizer inside the speech recognition module. So with sr.microphone as a source, means using microphone I am taking my voice, so microphone is a source. Print listening r dot put threshold equal to 1, means it will wait here threshold equal to 1 means the voice should be louder than 1, means the value, it has value something 1 2 3 4 like that. So I have to speak louder. So audio equal to r dot listen bracket source, means source is the input we are getting through, and the input is getting to the audio variable through r dot listen. Next, try colon print recognizing, means inside the try function print recognizing query equal to r dot recognize Google, means here you can see def Google. Recognize Google is a function which performs speech recognition on audio data, an audio data instance. So through this I am using recognize Google, inside which audio comma language English Indian ENIN. Print user said the query, means here I have allocated the query variable with the voice input of mine. So next it will print the value or text inside the query. Next I have created another a function accept exception as e. I have here again created a function exception through which we will print say that again please and return to none. It will return nothing. Then it will again return to what? Again return to query, means this loop is going on until this statement will true, means it will say you to say something. If he cannot recognize it, he will print say that again please, again again it will go to print recognize listening, then recognizing, then again print user said. If he cannot recognize anything, he will say that again please. After this we have to go to our main command. Here actually if name main and function, we use this type of command to import inside our programming. Here I have not recognizing that you have to print this or print that or any command. This is like assistant na? So what will I say, it will do according to that. So I have to import the value or data or text or any command using this function. Inside that I have written while true, means I am applying the conditioning. Here query equal to take command dot lower. Okay, so this is logic according to the query. I have to write logic according to query, what I will command to the assistant, what I want from the assistant. So here I have written if Wikipedia in query, means inside the query text, if there is a word Wikipedia, then it will say searching Wikipedia sir. Okay, so I will ask uh, if Abdul Kalam Wikipedia, here is a word Wikipedia. If I will say Wikipedia, it has no meaning. And next to this you can see here that else if open YouTube inquiry, if in query variable there is a word called open YouTube or like that, it will opening, say you opening YouTube sir, and through you web browser it will open youtube.com. Next, if else if open Google in query, then it will open web browser, google.com through web browser. And next, if it will say play music in Ghana, through this it will play song through ghana.com, and here other things it can do. So let's run this. You can see here I am running this command.
Good morning, Punya. I am Jarvis, sir. Please tell me that how can I help you?
Abdul Kalam Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia, sir. According to Wikipedia, Avulpakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. Listen, October 15th, 1931 to July 27th, 2015, was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube, sir.